Let's proceed with the installation process for SSDK CLI on Windows. So first go to the website sdk.surveysparrow.dev. In there, go to the getting started, click on quick start. And if you scroll down over here, you will find the installation steps for Windows. So the first thing in the installation step is to install Chocolatey Package Manager. For that, we need to launch the Windows PowerShell in administrator mode. So I have launched the Windows PowerShell administrator mode. Make sure you do that, otherwise the command won't run properly. So before we actually get started with installing the SSDK CLI, we just need to do one few configurations here. So let's check the execution policy. It says bypass. So what we can do here, let's change this to set execution policy to unrestricted. Yes, that's done. So now you can safely install the SSDK CLI on all the necessary packages as well. Go to your documentation and copy this exact code here. So this code will allow us to install the Chocolatey Package Manager, with which we will install all the necessary packages. I've copied this. Let me paste it here. Yes, Chocolatey is installed successfully now. They are asking us to shut down and restart PowerShell. Let us do that. Now that I've restarted PowerShell, let me just check if the Choco is installed successfully. Yes, Choco is installed successfully. The next thing is, let's go to the documentation. And the next step after installing Chocolatey is install NVM package. NVM allows us to install various versions of Node and shift between them whenever we want. So Choco installed NVM. Let's say yes to all the scripts. Great, NVM is installed successfully now. Let me clear this. Now let me check if the NVM version is correct here. Yes, we have the NVM. Now, after installing NVM, the next step is to install Node here. So we need to install the version 18. Now that the Node version is installed, let me just make sure that we are using that exact Node version, which is 18, right? Yes, now using the Node version 18. Got it. Now let me just clear this and go to the documentation to check what's the next step to do. The next thing is we need to install the mkcert. So mkcert allows us to run our local SSDK application securely with SSL encryption. For that, let me run the command choco install mkcert. Now that we have installed mkcert successfully, let's look at what's the next thing to do. Now next thing is to install the SSDK CLI. Now let me just copy this exact code here. And paste it over here. Now that the SSDK CLI is installed successfully, let us just verify that. Yes, as you can see here, SSDK is installed successfully and we are in the latest version.